You know where we at cooking with Kandi, but today I got on my friend, because it's breast cancer awareness month.
Gotta have your pink.
And he actually made this for me because, I'm a survivor. So my good friend, Chef Ashby, he made this for me with the Ashby experience. This is my guy. Today I see you done came down here and pulled all this stuff out. I like to see what's going on. So what you doing today?
Okay, so today I'm making gluten-free chocolate chip cookies.
And why are you making gluten-free?
Well, because my boyfriend...
I likes the gluten, girl. You see all this. I like gluten.
Love gluten. But my boyfriend cannot have any gluten, so gluten-free today.
So, girl, you done came down here to cook with Kandi, and I'm just trying to figure out, what you need for gluten-free cookies, because I ain't never made gluten-free cookies. I like gluten.
We're going to teach you today.
Okay.
So, we have some cinnamon, some baking powder, some butter, some baking soda, some chocolate chips, some gluten-free flour, some milk, some vanilla extract, some sugar, some cornstarch, and some brown sugar.
Oh, okay. So, that's a lot of ingredients, girl.
Yeah, it is.
I might as well just have the gluten, because you got everything else. I mean,
Well, we got to keep it cute. We got to keep it good.
Cooking with Kandi is always cute. But anyway, I don't need much. All I need is a little flour, a little butter, a little white chocolate chip, a little macadamia, a little flour,
a little
egg. There you go. That's it. And a little parchment paper and a baking sheet. I'm good.
Quick and cute.
Quick and cute. You know what I like. Yeah, so girl, I'm down to my last. It's time for me to just put my white chocolate chips. I done did my macadamia, my flour, my butter, my eggs. I done did everything. My vanilla, my little baking soda, I done did all that. What you got left?
All I got is a little dash of cinnamon. And my chocolate chips once I fold it.
All right, girl, we'll get the folding. Come on now. Cook quick and cute. You know how we do.
Okay, so I'm just adding my final ingredients. We're going to have some white chocolate chips and some milk chocolate chips.
Oh, go ahead. That's going to be chocolatey, girl. Okay.
Now we're just going to fold it in.
So we done got these cookies on here already. You done put your last one up there. Now, I done put that oven on 350. And it's hot. Like us thick girls. It's hot. So we done preheated, it's ready to go. Everything is ready to go. You got you a dozen in there. I got me a little more than a dozen because I like to cookie. So we ready.
Nice.
We be back. Macadamia, white chocolate. How y'all feel about them?
5.
5?
5.
Alright. Say what you want.
Oh no. OG. Somebody out y'all.
So, girl, I see your cookies done came out.
Yes, they did. Yes, they did.
They cute. So, we gonna have your boyfriend come on over and test them and see how he likes them.
Try it.
And these are the gluten-free chocolate and white chocolate. So, how you like it, Jose? Let's see.
You are amazing. Thank you.
All right, girl. So, we did that. We cooked quick and cute. Huh? Don't look bad. I don't like it.
You don't like it? Maybe if you lined it, it would have been less.
Yeah, because it's like,